Hi friends, today we're going to start cutting out this Landforms booklet, and I'm pointing out that there are all these different little tabs on here, so it's not something that you can cut out all at once. I will show you a shortcut, but don't do what I did. So first, if you're worried about it, you can just cut each of these pages out on its own. But if you're gonna do the shortcut way, be sure to remove the back page. And I didn't do that, and I ended up cutting some of my pieces. So if you're gonna do the shortcut, you can cut the long sides each, and then you can cut down the middle. But like I said, be sure to cut off the back piece before you do this. So one by one, after you do that, see, look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cut that in half and I shouldn't have. So after this, you need to cut the top or the bottom one by one around this tab that tells you what we're going to learn about for each page. You'll also notice that the tab has a number on each one, and that's because that's the order that the pages should go in. Once you're finished cutting all of these pages out, you're going to put them in order and use a stapler to staple it. It was trickier to put in order than I thought, frankly. I thought it was going to be really easy and I could stack it up and then move forward, but it turns out I needed to be really careful about just placing one page on top of the other so that I got a nice, neat book. Now, when it looks like you want it to look, go ahead and staple it on the left-hand side and then pause each time I cut out and put one of the landforms on the right spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out each of these little shapes. So the first one right here, believe it or not, is not on the very first one. It is a canyon. The next one that I'm gonna do is and so you have to like make sure and go through bit by bit and get to the right one. This is the cave. Here is the valley. This is the plateau, and you can see I'm going fast, guys, and so you got to make sure that you're careful. Here we have a hill. Actually, we have lots of hills there, but you get the idea. This is a peninsula. We will be going back and doing some writing about these and then also coloring in. This is the mountain. Next, we're going to do the island. And I think this is the last one. And it's the volcano. So once you're done with that, add some color to the front. I was kind of having a hard time, and so I thought of the song that goes, "Oh, purple mountains, majesty." And so I thought of the way that mountains look kind of blue and purple. So that's why I colored them like I did. I did a little purple, a little blue, and a lot of gray, and I think it turned out really cool looking. Of course, I left those snow-capped mountains white and didn't do anything with those, but I think it turned out looking pretty awesome. I can't wait to see yours. Make sure and take a picture and share it with me on Seesaw when you're done.